Okay guys, installation of panels for the two 12 kilowatt hybrid system, hybrid inverter. 42 panels, solar panel of 650 watts, 42 panels of 650 watts, 3 string per each inverter, so 2 inverters of 12 kilowatt, single phase. This will be connected in parallel mode. Okay, dito na naman tayo. Installation of 212 kVA hybrid system installed by Flores family, Angelo and Alvin Flores. Ito na ngayon. Bale, tatlong battery na Onesolar. Preparation for the battery terminal using compression tools. Okay. Yes. That's the quality. Preparation for the installation of the protection. Ito, pinagawa pa. Tools, power tools. Ito. Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon. Installation of 2 units 12 kilowatt hybrid system. 12 dyan sila, bari naka-parallel. Tapos tatlong battery na 300 Ah. So yung mga connection nya still on progress. Bale, itong dalawang unit naka-parallel, single phase. The single phase unit to lahat. So still in progress. Doing the wiring is Angelo Torres. Okay. So, okay, tuloy muna na namin yung connection. Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon. We are going to parallel these 3 batteries. I'll show you the connection. Okay, this is the master. Master dip switch should be off, and communication. And then this is going to the inverter, and this one parallel RS 485. This will be going to the slave battery. Okay, this one. Then this is the slave battery, slave 1. Slave battery, dip switch should be on 1. And from the battery, parallel connection, it will be here in PCB bat. Then this parallel going to the second, it's close already, second battery port. Sa parallel siya. Dip switch should be 1 should be off, then 2 will be on. Ito na ngayon, naka-energize na. So dito makikita nyo 3 batteries. Then its capacity is already 900 ampere hour because each battery is 300 ampere hour. So ito na. Parallel na siya. Then for the protocol, ito yung protocol niya. Yes. Lahat yan sila the same, dapat the same ang protocol. It should be all the same. Yan. Dapat same sila lahat. Okay. Now it's working. Okay. Okay, okay. Guys, now we will energize this 12 kilowatt grid hybrid system. 12 kilowatt and 12 kilowatt, 3 units, 300 Ah battery installed by Angelo, and of course the cameraman RJ Flores. Okay, so yun, pagbalik namin, energize na siya. Okay guys, energize na ang dalawang 12 kilowatt na hybrid system ng Deye. Ito yung load niya ngayon. Full charge na, time is 11:23, grid is 0, load nila is 9.72, 9,720 watts yung load nila ngayon. So ito yung master kasi nakaparallel, dalawang unit. Ito yung isang unit. Okay, ito yung slave. Ito nakasulat S2. So, nakaslave to siya ngayon. So, 9,730. Yung load niya 9.73 kilowatt. Battery is almost full charge. Grid is 0. Yun. Yun. Successful installation namin. Ready na. Yan. So far, okay na. Tapos, ito yung tatlong battery. Na Onesolar na 300 ampere hours. Ito na lang kulang namin. Cable management. Ayusin namin yung cable para malinis. Nakulangan na kami ng material. Anyway, so successfully installed 2 units, 12 kilowatt grid hybrid inverter. Yan. Ito yung protection box namin. By the way, meron tong naka-install na RSD, rapid shutdown device. For emergency, may sunog, patayin to, wala nang supply dito ng solar. So totally wala nang supply ng solar. So safe para sa mga fire. Ito yung battery namin na may pwede i-connect ng marami. May bus bar. Battery break-in na may bus bar. Ito. Okay na. So, ayos na. Panel, lakas ng bigay ng panel. 10.4. Battery is almost full. Grid is 0. Thank you. What's up guys? Dito naman tayo. 12 kVA hybrid system from Deye. With 3 units of lithium battery, lifepo4, 300 ampere hour each, worth 15.36 kilowatt. This equipment is connected in parallel connection. Same thing with these 3 batteries, parallel connection. Right. Now we are testing the device right now. It is this is powering 4 units, 1.5 tonner aircon. As of this moment, wala tayong grid kasi blackout. So maliit lang yung load. Now dalawang 1.5 tonner na aircon na pinapandar ngayon. Then computers, freezers, kasi this is a store. Ayan, ang load niya. So, okay. Oops. Ito na. Ito yung breaker na may bus bar para i-parallel itong tatlong unit na 300 ampere hour na battery, 51.2 volts. Okay guys, okay. Another successful installation.